ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ, ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
Hello, I'm back. We are back. We reached the temple. Here you can see the temple. This is the entrance. We are on top of the hill. It's a big hill. You can see how steep it is. You can look around. It's a big hill. It's an astonishing making here, as there is a temple on top of the hill. It's called Shri Akamma Devi Hills and Akamma Devi Temple. Rana? Vaishali? Rana? See her? Say hi. So we have reached the topmost part of this hill. It's too deep, you can see. So all the people are sitting here, they are enjoying.
Diya.
You can see the lake besides this hill. It's a beautiful sight. It's a must visit place for you all as well. You can come here for a retreat, for a change of mind. You'll just love it. A lot of people here. Anna, see your camera.
Hi.
Say hi. Anna, Anna, say hi. See her. See the camera. See the camera. Where is the camera? Okay.